Okay, so there we have it. It's I think I'm going to call this one Brain-A-Tron. And if you've been watching the build videos, you'll notice that I did add some meter detail down here because the bottom seemed very barren. So I borrowed that from the smoking POGOT one. And as I've stated all along in the build videos, in order to fit the batteries inside and the larger gearbox, I increased the scale of this basic POGOT body design by 5.6%. Here's your standard 3D printed POGOT that I've done. This would be the smoking one. It's actually water vapor if you've watched the videos. But you can see the size difference in that thing's being scaled up. And you can see the functions of it. So I will try to get the build files uploaded to Thingiverse in the description box down below. That link should be there eventually, and I'll have links to all of the build files for building this in case any of you guys want to build one of your own. I kind of like how the ears and dome light flash even when the headpiece is closed. I'm purposely turning it not directly towards the camera because cameras kind of freak out when the LEDs aim right at the sensor for whatever reason. So you got the slow turning tape reels, you got the computer brain. It's 25 LEDs randomly flashing the brain plus 3 more for the ears and the dome light.